Hi Y family! We are so proud to have been able to continue to offer quality outside of school hours care for your children throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, and we would like to thank you for your support during this difficult time. We want to share with you some of the changes we have made to keep your children and our educators safe and healthy while attending a YOSH. When you pick up or drop off your child at our OSH, things might look a little different. We have moved our kiosk to the main entry, where you will find our program and a copy of our COVID-19 safety plan. Families are also required to use hand sanitizer before touching the kiosk, and we encourage you to consider wearing a face mask. We would encourage parents to socialise away from the service and maintain appropriate distancing. Children will meet you at the sign in and out table, so you will not have to enter the service. Children and educators will regularly wash their hands throughout each session, with children being taught about good hygiene practices. Each site also has a health and hygiene basket complete with hand sanitizer, tissues and a rubbish bin close by, so keep an eye out for those. High-touch surfaces will be regularly cleaned, including door handles, light switches and toys. Sports and games equipment will be sanitised after each session. Where this is not possible, this equipment will not be shared and will be placed on a 3-day rotation. While social distancing is not required for children at the OSH, educators and families are reminded to keep 1.5 metres apart. Signage throughout each service will remind us on how to stay COVID safe. We have changed the way we handle food too. Deliveries will be placed near the entry to reduce the need for drivers to enter the OSH space. Educators will serve all children their food using tongs and gloves, or will create individual portions for children to pick up. As we are working together to keep the community well, we ask you to keep your child at home if they are sick. Educators who even have minor flu symptoms or have been in contact with a person diagnosed with COVID-19 will not attend the service and are tested before they return to work. Educators have undertaken training to keep our OSH sites as happy and as healthy as possible, while meeting any Health New South Wales directives. Each of our OSHs are working in collaboration with their schools to follow the same guidelines, particularly for sports and games and the use of play equipment. If we are all responsible and can follow the guidelines, we can do our part at keeping our community safe. Thanks for all your support, and we'll see you at the Y again soon.